Hi, Keller Price here with Healthy Fit. We have a great workout. This would normally be paired with your walk or run in nature. I'm going to encourage you as you do your walk or run, find a good trail by your house, and you would normally do what we call a fartlek. Does anyone know what a fartlek is?
Nope.
A fartlek is you see something ahead of you like a tree and you run to or walk quickly to that object. Then you'd stop at that object and do one of our exercises for 30 seconds. Then you pick another target, you run to that area, and you would do another exercise. And you would repeat that for your entire run. It's super fun. It's called a fartlek. We're gonna go ahead and get started and demonstrate each exercise for you. Normally you would do the exercise, set your timer for 30 seconds for the exercise. Let's get started. This movement is jumping jacks. Here we go. Soft on the balls of your feet. Five seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Our next exercise is push-ups. On your knees or toes. Come on down in the grass. Nice long spine. Pressing through your palms. Push up. Stacking your hands underneath your shoulders. Nice long spine, strong core, like you have a board on your back. Keep it up. 4 seconds left. And rest. Next movement, back lunges. Our feet are parallel. Like train tracks, stepping back, lunge, knee coming straight down. Now keep in mind you're doing these in between running, but if you wanted a little bit more, you could plyo jump. How we doing, boys?
Good.
We're enjoying nature, rest, the breeze, the fresh air, the pond. Next movement, burpees. Step or jump it out. Down, step it back. Optional push-up. You can do a knee here. You can jump. Where we're going, boys? We're going. Your choice. You can add a tuck jump. Nice, strong push-up, Isaac. Looking good. Reach. One more. Rest. Squat, alternating knee. Feet are parallel again. Sit back in that squat. Knee to elbow, squat, knee. Weight is in your heels. So as you sit back, you're reaching for that imaginary chair. You got this. Seconds left, couple more. Getting down on the floor for our next move. Mountain climbers. Again, just like a plank, stacking your shoulders. Everyone get down. Option, tap or run it. Driving those knees up towards your chest. Not looking at your feet. Look down in between your hands. Good pace. Keep it up. Drive those legs. Good job. Our next move, tire run forward and back. Imagine you have tires in, out, out. Here we go. Driving those knees up nice and high. 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. Up, higher. You gotta get your legs into the tire. Forward and back. Forward and back. Come on, pick up your intensity. Come on, a little bit faster. Rest. Good hustle. Ouch. Trying to hurt me there. Good job. Broad jump, shuffle back. Everyone load their legs. Big jump. Boom. Shuffle back. Aim for that target in front of you. Power those legs. Landing softly. Now we're in the grass, so you do want to be careful that it's not too slippery. We don't want you to hurt yourself. Couple more. Shuffle back. Whew. Getting down on the floor, we're going to work our triceps in the back of the arm. Option 1, you're on your bottom. Lean back, pressing up. Option 2, elevate yourself. Come on, boys. Time is live. Press, press, squeezing, keeping your arms close to your body. How we doing, boys? 10 seconds left. You got this. And rest. Standing up. Alternating flex foot, kick with a punch. Guard up. Opposite arm and foot. Flex. Kick. 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 Exhale as you punch. Bringing your guard back up to your face. Guard your face. Guard your cheeks. Guard. Punch. You can pick up the pace if you want. Your choice. This is your workout. If you're running in between for your fartlek, you're probably going to want the lower impact option for recovery. Nice job. Have fun with your fartlek. Make sure you tag us in your sweaty selfie. I'm Kella Price with Healthy Fit. Thanks for joining me today.